Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, we're gonna be doing some shopping. I really wanna see what's out there in stores, what's in season. Although I'm already anticipating a bunch of Valentine's Day home decor, a bunch of spring decor, flowers, which is super early for that, but it's fine. We're just gonna go look and see and browse. And if we pick up anything good, we will definitely have a haul at the end. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, you wanna hang out with me today, you wanna go shopping with me, then please just keep on watching. And the first store we're heading to, of course, is Homegoods. Y'all know that's one of my favorite stores, especially for home decor and unique pieces and things that not a lot of people have. It really is like treasure hunting because you never know what you're gonna find. And especially this shopping trip, I wasn't sure if it was gonna be completely decked out in Valentine's Day, everything pink, red, and hearts, which there was a few things as you can see, and I didn't know if it was gonna be spring either. So I was kind of walking into this blind and I did end up picking a few things. I had a bunch of stuff. Obviously, Homegoods never misses. But you guys, I picked the coldest day to go out. It actually snowed this day. A lot of stores were closing early, so it's very empty in here, which is really nice. You'll see in all the other stores, it's like pretty bare. So I pretty much had the store to myself to like shop around and pick things out. And you already know Anthropologie is a must, especially with me when I'm going shopping. Again, not that many people in here. There really wasn't that much decor. It kind of was a little bare, I would say. Like a lot of the shelves didn't have that much on there. It kind of was like a little bit picked through, but there were still some cute things. And it's like they're getting started with Valentine's Day. The kitchen section is always my favorite. I love looking at like all the mugs, the dishes, the plates, very into it. And then I decided to go to World Market. I really have not been here in so long, you guys. Like I just wanted to look to see, obviously, like what places had. That was like the point of this whole entire trip. But they had a lot of stuff in the bath section. I was thinking if you were gonna do like a self-care night, this would be like the perfect spot to kind of hit up for new bubble baths, maybe bath bombs. And World Market's decor style, I would say, is more contemporary. So they had really cool items to choose from, especially their lamps. They had tons of mugs, tons of kitchen stuff. That's another thing they're like known for. And then I went over to Kirkland's. This is slowly becoming one of my go-to spots for home decor shopping. You can really find some nice pieces, especially like their bowls, their bowl fillers, vases, trays. Like I think they have really nice accent pieces. They obviously had their spring Valentine's Day decor up, of course, but I was able to find a couple things that would fit into my home style kind of winter vibe that I have going on currently. Okay, you guys, we are back from filming. My God. Okay, you guys, we are back from shopping and I wanted to do a quick little haul just to show you all pretty much everything that we purchased. Okay, the first thing I got is from Anthropologie. It is this bow candle charm. Basically what you do is, it's almost like a little earring, like the backing of it, you just poke it into your candle. It's really cute. Again, you guys know, like I'm into like my little trinkets. I'm into like my little treasures. And this is perfect. Like I think it's so cute. I can't wait to style this. Okay, and then of course I got a candle. I really didn't have to get this from Anthropologie, but I thought that the gold would really pop up against this navy candle and be super cute. So I'm thinking of styling this in my office on a tray. I probably won't burn this. Like, this will probably just be a decorative moment, but I think that's gonna be so cute. Okay, and then next I got another candle. It's in the scent Caramel Cafe. This smells incredible. There are different ones that are like different colors in this same striped pattern. There was one that was like heirloom tomato and olive oil. Don't recommend that one, but the caramel one, this is the one to get. It smells so good. And what I try to do in my house is have all of the scents kind of coordinate. So I try to go for more like warm vanilla scents in our house. So I think this is gonna be perfect with all the plugins that I have, the other candles, and just complement the smells in our home. Very nice. Okay, and the next place that I purchased a couple things is from Homegoods. I really want to put more decor in our kitchen. So I want to put a lamp in there. This is kind of big. We'll see if this fits between the countertop and our cabinet. I don't know. This actually might be a little bit big. In the store, it really didn't look that big. We have this exact lamp, but in like a yellow color with a square pattern in our office on the shelves. I showed you all in the last home update. So I'm not really sure where I want to put this, but I love this design. It's made by hand in Vietnam, and it's just such good quality. You can tell that, like, I just really like this. I like the pattern. I like the color. It's just really, really pretty. Okay, and next from HomeGoods, I got this frame. We plan on adding frames on our stairs. So I wanted to get a couple that were like unique and different styles. I have some already that I plan on hanging up, but I really wanted to get some that were like different, unique. So I got this marble heart. I thought this would be really, really cute on the wall and give like a fun touch. Like, a heart is just cute. Technically, I guess this is for Valentine's Day, but we're gonna have it year round on our wall. Okay, and then the next thing I got are these napkins. They just say love around the perimeter of the napkins. I thought this would be really nice, of course, for Valentine's Day, if I wanted to do a tablescape for Valentine's Day, or, I mean, again, like the self-care for myself, if I wanted to have like a cute little moment with a dessert plate, have a little Valentine's Day treat for myself. I think this would be really cute. Probably Rob and I. Like, I think this would be nice for like a date night in for us. If I used these napkins, would be really cute, romantic, and a nice little simple touch. Okay, and then we ended up going to World Market, you saw, but I didn't really find anything that I wanted to purchase. There were a lot of cute stuff, but nothing that really screamed take me home. So Kirkland's, the last store, had a bunch of things. So let's get into what I bought. The first thing I got a lot of stuff that was in the sale section. I feel like this might be perfect for the kitchen. It's a lot smaller. So I don't know, maybe I'll even put one lamp like on the other side of the kitchen, and then this smaller one sort of like on the front when you're looking like directly towards our kitchen. This one's a lot smaller. I know this is gonna fit perfectly. I just love the idea of like little lamps in the kitchen, little like cozy, cute little decor items and stands that you can put in your kitchen. I don't know, I just really wanna decorate it. So I thought this would be perfect. This was on sale. It says it's $19.99, but it definitely was cheaper than that. I don't know. Anyway, it looks really cute. I love this like ribbed design here. Obviously like cream, it's gonna go with pretty much everything in my house. Okay, and if you remember the last haul that I did, home decor haul, I showed you all that I got a vase just like this, but taller. It was from Kirkland's, obviously. This is from Kirkland's. This was only $7.97, so like $8. The other one I think was like $9 maybe. And I figured the two of them together would be really pretty. Spring is around the corner with some spring flowers in there, or just left by themselves. Really clean, and it's a thick glass. Like, this is good quality for $8. Like, I had to get this. Okay, and moving on to more Kirkland's finds. I got these bow napkin rings. I've been really into like napkin rings, napkins, little dessert plates. That sideboard really has me inspired, so I wanted to pick these up. I thought they were cute. Like, they're adorable. With the love napkins would be super cute for Valentine's Day. These were $20. Ooh, that's actually a lot for this. For Kirkland's, for this, that's a lot. Don't judge me, but it was $20. They're very cute, gold. I love them. Okay, and this was kind of a wild card, but you have to think like, I wanna add a gallery wall, a collection of different frames. So this by itself might be like, oh, I don't know. But you're gonna be able to see the vision. Like you have to picture it with all different types of frames. I think it's gonna be the perfect little pop in with like a bunch of neutral frames. Okay, are you ready? It's a seashell and gold frame. I thought this was so cute. So this is going to have to be a little bit of a DIY because it is a kickstand. Is that what it's called? Like a little easel? An easel type frame. There's no hook on the back. So I'm going to have to carefully remove this. Yeah, because I don't want it showing down there. Carefully remove this on the back, add a hook, and then hang it. But I think this is gonna be really cute up against a white wall with all like neutral frames pretty much. And then adding that heart one in there. Like I think it's gonna be really nice. I love the seashells obviously, but then the seashell patterns inside, can you see that? Inside just look really cute. We could obviously put a family picture of us like from the beach in here. It would be adorable. So I'm very excited. Okay, and then moving on to more kitchen stuff. I got this like stand, this wooden stand. It kind of has like a hammered like texture on it. I think this would be really, really nice in the kitchen. You guys, I got a lot of stuff for the kitchen, but I really want to like put this up against the backsplash, maybe have like some olive oil, like some vinegar, salt and pepper, like must have. Even like a utensil holder would be really cute on this, like a candle. I want the kitchen to feel a little bit more cozy. So I think this is the perfect touch for that. Okay, and I didn't get these in store today, but literally when I came home, there was a package from Anthropologie. So I wanted to share a couple things that I got in the mail. Okay, and this should come as no surprise. You all know, if you've been following for a while, I'm obsessed with these glasses. This is the only thing I really drink out of. The bow design comes in pink, white, and red. I have pink, white, and red, but I didn't have the black. So I just wanted all 4 of the bows. So I got the black version. Wait, you guys, they sent me 2. I only ordered 1. Okay, something's going on. I only ordered 1, but they sent me another one. I hope the other ones I ordered are correct. Okay, we're gonna have to return that because I like to only have 1 of each design just because I don't need more than that. I already have so many that 1 of the design is enough for me. Okay, this one I definitely ordered. It's the sun. I thought this would be so cute for spring and summer. Like this is just like so adorable. Some orange juice in here. I just love these cups. I don't know what it is. Guys, I think they sent me 2 of everything. Okay, here's a second sun. Okay, yeah, this is definitely what I wanted. I was so excited about this one. It's blue, obviously, and it has a cloud on it. It's just super cute. Like this is adorable. I love this one. This is definitely my favorite. Okay, I just checked the rest of the boxes. They sent me 2 of each. So I need to return them, which is just great. I was literally just down there. So anyway, okay, and the last one is just this horseshoe. It's really cute. It's adorable. I don't know if you can even see the horseshoes, but it's just like this light blue with some white dots. Very cute. Again, like I guess technically a collector of these juice glasses. So I just want to get like the new designs. I have a ton of these and I will link them down below. So yeah, you guys, that is everything that I got. I hope you enjoyed this shop with me, getting to see what's in season, what's out there. If you plan on going shopping this weekend, let me know like what some of your favorites are. If you're thinking, girl, I saw something in that store and I'm surprised you didn't pick it up, you need to run back and get it. Let me know what you saw that you loved. And if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you never miss an upload. And all of my new home decor, we will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.